Good afternoon to all of you. How are you all? Hope you are all fit and fine. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about how to build our confidence. This is Delal Hussain in front of you. Today, I would like to be speaking about how to build our confidence. Confidence is learned from failure. We have to too much failure. We are gaining so much knowledge. We have to last be positive. We have to learn from step by step from failure. When we are take preparation, when we are exam, when we are face so many problems that we are learn from so many things from here. So you have to think, be positive, and also learn from failure, learn from your failure, and also learn from you what you think. Be positive thing always. When I came here English therapy, that time I don't know how to speak English, I don't know how to build up our confidence. So when I speak English randomly, that time I realize this is good for me, and also this is good for me, and also this is good for us. English therapy will provide there a lot of confidence. Every month we have to provide a speech, we have to attend a speech competition 4 times, we have to make video regularly. This is good for us. When we are make video in front of camera, that time we feel shy. Sometimes we feel shy, but after 40, 15 days, after 21 letters, after right now I am in 21 letter day, but I have no problem. I have no problem with in front of camera. But sometimes we feel shy because of there are so many people, they are saying me, they are in front of me. That time I realize, when I'll go to the in front of me, when I speak in front of thousands of people, that time I have to stand on a stage. That time how do I really speak, how do I speak? That time I realize I want to able to speak in English within 3 months. But we have to practice, we have to read a lot, we have to more dedication, we have to more perseverance for this. So when will be our build up continues, at that time we bring so many things from English therapy. So that's why I have one suggestion for you. Because if you want to build up your confidence, you came here English therapy, so learn English, and from here, so there are a lot of great opportunities to send you to build up our conversation from here. If you want to, this is the good opportunity. If you want to say something Bangla, but you have to find 20 taka, this is good opportunity for us. That speaking English, speaking Bangla, you have to build up your confidence speaking English. So when you speak English randomly, that time you have to randomly speak in English. So that's all about me. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Have a great day. Assalamu alaikum.